Marriott Torreon Hotel. 5 stars. This hotel at Torreon has a fitness center, outdoor pool and spa services for a fee. It also features dry cleaning and room service 24 hours a day. The Marriott Torreon has air-conditioned rooms that offer bottled water, a coffee maker, cable TV and an alarm clock. The bathrooms have a bath and provide bathrobes and a hairdryer. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.